So special. So I guess it's coincidental timing that Porsche have just launched the 911 ST off the back of the 992 RS platform,
Yes.
which is effectively the successor to this car. I have never seen a spectrum of Porsches in one place like this.
Well, we haven't even made it all the way around the corner yet.
We haven't even got started yet.
Yeah.
You literally have a decent percentage of overall production of Ford GTs here.
We do. We've got 10 of them back here, and we try to get every one of the production colors. And here again, we also have some of the paint to sample colors. What I mean by that, we have the Sunoco blue.
Yeah.
On the end, we have one of the paint to sample grays. And of course, we got some more Porsches coming over here. Let's go a little farther.
Unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Yes. Wow. So we arrived here really with very little conception as to what this place would be. So to walk in